Forex trading is buying and selling currencies. It's like exchanging money when you travel. Imagine you're buying US dollars with euros. You hope the dollar's value goes up so you can buy back euros later at a profit. The Forex market is huge. Trillions of dollars change hands every day. It's the world's biggest financial market, operating 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Anyone can trade Forex, from banks to individuals. You need a trading account with a broker to participate in this global marketplace. Forex trading offers flexibility. You can trade anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. The market is open 24/5, allowing you to trade during your free time. Leverage is another benefit. It lets you control large trades with a small amount of money. However, leverage can magnify both profits and losses, making risk management crucial. Forex trading is risky. The market is volatile, meaning prices can change quickly and unpredictably. It's essential to understand the risks and learn how to manage them before trading with real money. Choosing a reputable broker is crucial for safe and successful trading. Look for brokers regulated by reputable financial authorities. Regulation ensures the broker follows strict financial rules and protects your funds. A good broker should offer a user-friendly platform with various trading tools. Check for competitive spreads and low trading fees. Read reviews and compare different brokers before making your choice. Before trading with real money, open a demo account. A demo account lets you practice trading with virtual money. It's a risk-free environment to learn the ropes and test trading strategies. Start learning Forex strategies and tools. Many online resources, courses, and webinars are available. Focus on risk management techniques and understanding market analysis. Practice consistently in your demo account. Once you feel confident and consistently profitable, consider starting with a small live account and gradually increase your investment.